I just want you to understand this is the normal look of a detail out in Las Vegas. I made a first video. If you can't take care and get out in the sun, then you need to rethink this whole business adventure that you try to do, because this comes with this. I know a lot of people ask me, James, or I see a lot of comments on Facebook, what do you use for the interior? This kind of stuff that I'm talking about. It's called, you see that? You can get it out here in Vegas. You can get it online. That's some good stuff. Audio Vision, live and direct. I know you always, it's gonna be pretty quick for you guys. It's gonna be a quick tutorial about, you know, how to hand shampoo a carpet. I want to kind of show the people at home how easy this can be. Here we go. Pre-soak the carpet, right? Use a little APC Plus is what I usually go to. You can find that online. So for video purposes, I'm just gonna quickly just go over the carpet. Usually I like to let the shampoo sit on the carpet while working around the car, but you know, we're doing this for you guys, all right? So you can use a brush, you can use microfiber towel. Today we're gonna use a wash mitt. And listen guys, this is not a full shampoo. This is just a quick breeze over, you know, on the go carpet refresh shampoo. But it really does clean. So this channel is meant to, you know, show you little things I know. Hopefully people can comment and I can learn things from you guys too, as far as the car stuff, right? Been doing this for a while. So, but you know, one thing about it, what I understand is you always got room to grow, and if you think you don't, then that's the day you lost. See this? Let me bring the camera over. It's just the basic brush over. Right after this, what we're gonna do, actually we're gonna vacuum this up, right? Because if you think about it, the whole process of shampooing is to abstract the dirt from the carpet, right? So bear with me and I'll show you a little bit more about that in just a minute. So you guys remember when I shampooed it with the mitt, right? That was a couple minutes ago. We're just gonna show you a hyper lapse type of thing, right? Where now we're at the vacuum and I'll show you the results of pretty much how this works, just like a shampoo without an extractor. Here we go. Vacuuming, right? Let me turn it off so you can hear me. And they get in their car, right? And it looks good down here, and they put their feet up here and kick, and if it's not vacuumed, all this stuff come down. It's really not a good look. So make sure you always go. I'm sure many professional detailers know this, but you know, some don't. So here you go. Not bad, huh? This only really takes literally a couple minutes. You know, I'm taking a little longer just to show you guys the results and stuff, but this is really efficient, and it works just like, if you don't have a shampoo or extractor, this is pretty much what you want to do. I want to show you guys something that I see a lot of detailers and people miss in general. You see that? You would be amazed on how much odor and dirt that collects if you don't just do a simple vacuum. So strong advice to ladies, anybody, vacuum the liner every time you wash your car. It just keeps it fresh, right? If you're getting any value out of this, hit like, share this too. And I'm going to also leave a description of the APC Plus down in the description so you guys can kind of find out where to get that too.